Hi guys, I'm Simon. I'm here from Interia Systems and I'm going to give you the rundown on the Linq desk and how to put it together step by step. Here we have all our parts, desk components, and the tools we're going to need is drill, Allen keys and tape measure. So first things first, we're going to lay out our beams across like this. I like to keep this big hole facing up. We're going to grab our little fixing plates, whack them in like so they're poking out like that. Grab this Linq bracket, slip it in like so, flip it up and tighten it with your Allen key till she's tight. Got all 4 of these screwed onto your beams. We're going to continue on to put them on the end frame. Now you'll have some big screws and some smaller screws. Your big ones will go at the top in the gold thread and your bottom ones will go on the bottom. So continue to screw them on. So now we've got both of our beams screwed onto the first leg. We're going to flip it over and screw it onto the other leg. So now we have our beams attached to both legs. We've grabbed our top, make sure you search over the top, make sure you've got the good face facing down. Whack your legs on top. Now see these screws here, we're just gonna loosen them off. Therefore that allows us to spread our legs over the length of the desk. You've spread the legs over the distance that you need. I normally like to bring the frame at least a couple mil in from the edge, and then we can go ahead and tighten off all these screws. Alright, so by now you should have everything tightened off at the right distance. We're going to go ahead and grab our drill, 19mm pen head screws, and fix it to the top. Legs and beams are all securely fixed into the top. We're going to grab our modesty clamps. We're going to set them up about 350 from the inside of the leg and secure them. Obviously repeat the same for the other side, 350 and fix. Now both clamps are mounted to the desk. We're going to grab our modesty panel, slot that in like so. Give it a little tighten and roughly level them out so they equal both sides. Once you've got someone to help you flip it over, you have your Linq desk. Now that you've got your straight desk all assembled and ready, now if you have a return coming off it, turning it into a corner workstation, you'll have a 600mm leg, your return desk, and a long beam, which you take out these 4 screws and they'll come apart like so. And we're going to go ahead and fix them like before. With the return, we're going to repeat the same process as what we did on the straight desk. Bring your leg flush or a couple mil in from the ends and fix it down to the top. So sent out with you would be 2 connector pads, which we are going to screw up halfway over the top so we can connect our return desk. We've flipped our return desk, resting on the connector pads that we screwed on earlier. Final touches, pull the desk in, flush up the corners, and screw the connector pad in. Oh, sorry guys, and there you have it. There's the Linq desk.